Hi everyone, welcome back to Spanish Hut. Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to discuss days of the week. By the way, what is day today? Sunday? No, Monday? Oops, what we call in Spanish, do you know that? Biggest problem, we don't know days in Spanish yet. Don't worry, I'm here to teach you. So without wasting any time, let's discuss days of the week. Firstly, we have to know what we call days of the week in Spanish. We called in Spanish as los días de la semana. Monday, el lunes. Tuesday, el martes. Wednesday, el miércoles. Thursday, el jueves. Friday, el viernes. Saturday, el sábado. Sunday, el domingo. Date, la fecha. Day, el día. Week, la semana. Month, el mes. Year, el año. Weekend, el fin de semana. Long weekend, el puente. Holiday, la fiesta. Today, el hoy. Tomorrow, el mañana. Yesterday, el ayer. Good Friday, el Viernes Santo. Valentine Day, de San Valentin. Day before yesterday. Anteayer, day after tomorrow. Pasado mañana, 4 days ago. Es 4 días, the next day. El día siguiente, next Saturday. El próximo sábado, last Saturday. El sábado pasado. What is the day today? ¿Cuál es la fecha de hoy? Today is Monday, 13 May. Hoy es lunes 13 de mayo. What is day tomorrow? ¿Cuál es la fecha de mañana? On Monday, I play tennis. Los lunes juego al tenis. So yeah, it's all about today's video. Hope you all understand days of the week and some phrases from the days. In our next video, we're going to discuss months of the year. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.